got to this next stop sign, where I became aware of the horrible situation I was in. The tornado was less than a quarter mile to my southwest, and there were speeding cars right in front of it, preventing me from turning left. The tornado also appeared like it would pass further to my south, so I made the split-second decision to turn around to try to get behind the tornado. And then it happened.
We're going back! We're going back!
After my camera cut out, the vehicle rolled for a solid 20 seconds. It felt like a movie, a sick movie that was real.
I was hit. I made a serious mistake. That's it.
The next day, I would revisit the scene, and that's when it hit me. I had lost my one and only vehicle. I've had this car since I got into storm chasing. It may have been an ugly duckling, but it was reliable, and I loved it.